We're making no-bake lemon protein bites that are sweet, tangy, and bursting with flavor with fresh lemon, vanilla protein powder, almond flour, coconut, and ginger. These bites are perfect when you want a healthy treat made with simple, clean ingredients. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make these really easy energy bites, you could use a hand mixer, but I have found that a food processor makes it really easy and simple. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, and that includes ingredients and substitutions, nutrition facts, and frequently asked questions. And to increase the protein, we're going to add half a cup of vanilla protein powder, and you can use any kind that you like. I really like using this organic brand because it's naturally sweetened and we really like the flavor. So we'll add half a cup of vanilla protein powder. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 1/4 cup of coconut. And then for some healthy fat and flavor, we'll add 1/4 cup of cashew butter. You can use any nut butter that you like. And then we'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then to bring in that fresh lemon flavor, we're going to use 1 lemon, and preferably it's an organic lemon that doesn't have any coating on the outside of it. So I'm going to go ahead and zest 1 lemon, which is about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Oh, that smells so good. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So now that I've zested the outside of the lemon, I'll go ahead and cut it in half, and then squeeze the juice right inside, which equals about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And having a lemon squeezer sure makes this quick and easy. Now I can screw on our lid and then blend it on high till it's all well incorporated. And this nice big ball of dough is exactly what we're looking for. So as soon as you can pick up a piece and roll it in your hand without it sticking, you know it is just right. And then to form your balls, you could just scoop it out with a spoon, or I really like using my small cookie scoop because it just makes it really easy and they're uniform in size. I'll just fill my scoop, drop it in my hand, roll it together until smooth, and then we have a very simple and delicious lemon energy bite. And you'll want to store these in an airtight container in your fridge, or you can also put them in your freezer if you'd like to have a cold treat. But this one is ready to sample. That is delicious. That is the perfect blend of sweet and tangy. As soon as you bite in, you get that earthy flavor coming in from the almond flour, and that little bit of salt is so yummy. And then you get the fresh lemon that comes through the zest and the juice. And then it has just the right sweetness from the protein powder and the coconut and the maple syrup. And I love the lingering lemony aftertaste. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included the link to the full recipe and it's in the video description below. That takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.